Example 4 says, find a quadratic polynomial, the sum and product of whose zeros are -3 and 2 respectively. Okay, now let's see how we have to do these questions. Let the quadratic polynomial be, we assume it to be ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. Okay, and let the zeros be alpha and beta. So now we are given in the question that the sum and the product of the zeros are -3 and -2. Okay, so if alpha and beta are the zeros, then what is the sum of alpha and beta is at alpha plus beta, and we are given that the sum is -3, and we are given that the product of alpha into beta is 2. Okay, so we can say that -3 can be written as what? -3 upon 1, and 2 can be written as 2 upon 1. Now we know from here that the sum of the zeros is minus of coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. So minus of coefficient of x here is b upon coefficient of x square is a, and product of zeros is constant term upon coefficient of x square. So product is the constant term c upon coefficient of x square a. Okay, so now if we compare these values to these values, what can we say? We can say if this is minus b by a and this is equal to c by a, so I can say from here a in both the cases is 1, so I can say a is 1, minus b equals to -3. Okay, so minus b equals to -3, so I can say that b equals to 3, and from here I can say that c equals to 2. So one of the quadratic polynomial which fits the given conditions is, we know that ax square plus bx plus c is the quadratic polynomial. So I can say that one of the polynomials is, if we put these values, a is 1, so I can write it as x square, b is 3, so 3x, and c is 2. Okay, so one of the polynomials is this which satisfies the given conditions. Also, any quadratic polynomial that fits the given conditions is of the form of k into x square plus 3x plus 2, where k is a real number. Okay, so for example, let k be 2. Alright, so if we multiply this polynomial by 2, 2x square plus 6x plus 4, so even this polynomial satisfies the given conditions that the sum and the product of zeros is -3 and 2. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. If you have any queries, share them down in the comment section below.